Big super there upper retreat. They might do some repairing and stuff. And we just a look at the road work.
It appears that both of the pipeline were damaged due to civil works.
Triple R fashion store and superette, wholesale and consignment liquor. Yeah, people, we're out here on East Prospect, we're out here on the main road, on the Beverly Hills stretch at St.Thomas. Yeah, and we have to always big up the superette. We have to always big them up. Because you know, so them are the sole sponsor a big super. So when you're in a East Prospect, you can always stop and shop at Triple R fashion store. Yeah man, locate out here on the main road. So stick and stay. Welcome back viewers and subscribers. Big super there upper retreat. And we are doing a continuation of some pipeline road. Some pipe we are lay out of this side because as you see we was talking to a contractor the other day, one of China Harbour contractor, about the laying on the pipeline and the digging up of the road. And in basically said them have, I think it was 3.1 to complete in this section here. So you can see where them block off the road right in the vicinity here and start divert back the traffic. Them a divert back the traffic through this upper retreat community here. So them block off the road and them a do some digging up, them a do some repairing and stuff on this leg of the road. So this leg of the road, not this actual section, but further down and beyond this section, done within the last 2 weeks. Yeah people, and then now we notice, as we said, not this exact section, but further down, we notice now them come and them I do some further repair and some further digging up at this section of the road. So we just a walk through and I show you say work will take place out here. It might be at a very slow pace and thing, but nonetheless it will take place and it will come right down to the bridge. And we see one of the engineers out here, and we don't know if you're going to hear to get him to talk with, because the last time him to talk with us, and we don't know if him going to talk this time. Because you know sometimes they may talk and the next time they don't say a word. But me out here people, me the upper retreat. Yeah, me the upper retreat Alexandra. And we just a walk through and we just a look at the road work but taking place out here and right in the vicinity of the bridge. Dig up people and we a look down in the hole, we a look over on the pipeline system. So we see where some correction, must be some correction I take place. So them a put in the valve. Maybe the valve them were never put in and all these things. Them a put them in now to make sure everything copper set. So my viewers and subscribers, we just update you on the road work are taking place out here, upper retreat, out here, East Prospect. Big super is out here on the ground and we're walking through here in the vicinity of the bridge out here. Yeah, my general, morning, everything. I don't know if you can give me a further update on what going on this side here. You can stand up on here because you don't know you're the chief engineer. And when you talk, no dogs bark, the world used to you and them know your law, your word, Allah. So explain to the community of East Prospect now what's taking place out at the bridge.
Alright, morning again. Alright, on the right hand side we have a 250 pipeline, and on the left hand side we have a 100 pipeline. It appears that both of the pipeline were damaged due to civil works. The 100 was cut in half, and the alignment was shift for the 250, so we had to do some renovation, pull up the 250 line and set it back, and then we took out a section of the 100 pipeline and replaced it with a coupling. So what you see here, we are doing sub-base and base work to ensure that when the final pavement is done, the road won't sink.
Okay. So we now make sure we do the thing the right and proper way.
Yes, man.
So this line you were looking on, you see at here, it's what, the 100?
Yes, sir.
And the bigger one over on that side now.
It's the 250.
Which will let me come look on it and see it, video. The 250. Yeah. So would you say the work tedious for you? To come back and to really so this is the 250?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So would you say the work tedious? I mean, are your job still, and all this thing, but...
Yes, the work is tedious, because we have to run the pipeline first.
Yeah.
And then you would have different workmen coming in now to do sub-base, base work. You would have fiber optics out here. So, in the midst of everything, equipments can damage the pipeline.
Okay.
What is evident here.
Yeah, okay.
It was damaged by
equipment.
civil works,
Okay, me understand.
So it's all in the job, man.
Yeah. So let me ask you something now, because you see the detour road, that road around here, so when I use now. Is it possible for you to get a bulldozer or something and full out the whole on it? Because it's kind of one way, and I drive on it yesterday and it now 200,
Well,
me just suggest something, because it might not in your realm.
Well, to be honest, I can't really speak to that regards,
Yeah.
That is kind of higher than
Yeah, because
we will be reopening this road for today.
When I reopen me today?
Yes, sir.
So when I plan to put in back all of the debris them and stuff and get it back up?
No, we don't put in debris. We use fresh material. If you look at the material in the put, you can see that it is fresh crush and run.
Oh, fresh?
Yes.
Okay, so on put in fresh
crush and run.
Yes, sir.
We don't use bad debris, and the pipe, if you go further, you will see that 6 inches of sand was also placed on top of the pipe.
Okay.
Don't use back all material.
Also, you don't use back all material.
No, sir.
So we plan to open back this road by Monday morning.
Yes.
Late this Monday morning.
Yes, but it should be usable today.
It should be usable today.
Yes, sir.
I'm glad for that. I'm just make a suggestion still to the people that work on the road. Whenever we go block off a road, we try to make sure the alternative route smooth.
Well, we have done so in the past, but you have to understand that this was an emergency work.
Okay.
Because it was when the pipe were commissioned, we saw that there was an excess amount of water coming up out of the road.
Okay.
So it wasn't a planned thing.
Yeah.
It was hit the ground running.
Yeah, me understand. And the next thing is that in the future, can you practice to fix the pipe before you fix the road? That way the people don't look upon it and I say the road just fixed and then you come back and I dig it up.
Well, it was in the midst of preparing the road surface that the damage was done. So there was no real way to mitigate
around that. Okay, me understand.
Yes.
All right. What is your name again?
Chevron Miller.
Bless up yourself here and thanks for the reasoning.
Yes,
all right. Some viewers and sub, you hear me talk with the China pipeline engineer and him give you an update exactly on what taking place out here. The reason why them have to come back and dig up the road. As them go along and do them testing, them realize some fault was down at the bridge here. So them have to come down to the bridge and them have to do what them have to do and them have to clean it up. Some viewers and sub, just want you guys out in a East Prospect to know what taking place. You might wonder why you have to divert around that road where people cuss me for Never call it cesspool road, but it don't name cesspool road. But the diversion, you know, wonder why you have to divert. Well, Chevron Miller tell you know that some urgent work take place right in the vicinity at the bridge. So him and him team did have to pull it up and get it right. Big super out here in East Prospect. Remember people, subscribe. Subscription is free. You don't have to pay for subscribe to my channel, people. Trust me, you don't have to pay for subscribe to Big Super channel. Just subscribe. Remember if you like the video by pressing the like button, give the video the old thumbs up. And comment people, let me know what you think about all of this road saga, this road thing where it take place out here in St. Thomas. Hello nice lady, can I speak to you? What's your opinion? Okay. So let me know what you guys think about all of this road saga will take place out here in St. Thomas. Big super saying to you guys out here in the beautiful Prospect Alexandra retreat, upper retreat. Saying to you guys, peace out. Go on out there. Out of Dumfries. Wow.